LNCT University and the memorandum signed, memorandum understanding between these two institutions, and I should say a lot of opportunities, because you have started agriculture there. The undergraduate students, they are studying basic agriculture. In this, soil science is one major subject. So the understanding of soil science, the agronomy is extremely important. In this, until and unless you understand the basics of soils and then the problems of soils, then only you can manage the soil properly. So the education, the agriculture, it starts from the soils and crops. In this way, the students who are in the LNCT university, they will be benefited from this our institute of soil science whole aspect. So whatever the courses are there in the university, in the background of Indian Council of Agricultural Research, and they can very much learn from these institutes. And then when you will be starting the master degree as well as the PhD, this subject, you can get the maximum advantages by, in a collaboration mode. Your students come to these institutes for learning the soil science, for doing the research, particularly the masters and PhD research work in this institute in a collaborative mode. The members of the supervise, your PhD advisory committee from both the institutes will be there, and under their supervisions, the aspect of the researchable aspects will be identified, research topics will be identified, and it can be very well organized, planned, and undertaking the planned research. So there are a lot of scopes, I should say, in agriculture when we collaborating these two institutes. And also mentoring the students, they can come because we got expertise in this institute on different aspects of soil research. So being a very, very important subject, the advantage of these institutes, the expertise of this institute, the scientists who are here in teaching, the training, and in the guidance of the master as well as the PhD degrees, you can get a lot of advantages, I should say, and the students can be motivated on the different aspects in the futures for their career, I should say.